Call my name, say it like that, baby, one more time.
How's it going, everyone? It's Tone here, and I'm back with another fit video. Today I'm gonna be trying something. I'm not sure if it's gonna work well. I don't know if this material will last, but we're gonna give it a shot. If it works, awesome. If not, then we'll try something else. So I bought 2 sheets. Starting off, I bought 2 sheets of a really thin plywood. It's super cheap for how much it is. This is about 8 feet by 4 feet, and it's about $8. I got 2 of them because I'm gonna be making some side skirt extensions. So I also bought some black paint. It's matte finish, so it'll look a lot better than whatever wood cutter this is. I'm not planning to leave it like that because that would look terrible, but this will probably give it a coat of protection from the rain, hopefully. This was about $4. It's a really good brand of paint. I definitely recommend it. You don't have to sand if you don't want to. I am, though, just to give it a higher chance of, the paint staying on the plywood. But I got 2 of these, one for the front splitter and one for the 2 side skirt extensions. And then I got some wood self-tapping screws. This should do the job. They're long enough to fit through this thin plywood and into the front bumper. And they're pretty strong. Hopefully that'll do the job. And then I got some 120 grit just in case I have to round off some edges when I do the cutting on the front splitter and the side skirts extensions. So yeah, first thing you want to do is take off your front bumper, and you're gonna want to go ahead and line it up with the edging of the plywood. And then you're gonna want to basically, I measure 2 inches from behind here out. That's how much I want it to stick out, but it varies on what you like and what your style is. If not, you could do whatever measuring you want, but that's how much I did it. And then I went ahead and I not traced the front, but I gave it 2 inches. So I was like this. I went out like that instead of directly tracing it, because obviously that's the point of the splitter, to give it more of a pop or aggressive look. So, and then I just went ahead and traced the back of the bumper. That you don't have to give it any measurement, just literally trace it out. But yeah, I've done that already. The side skirts will probably be another video, but for now, I already went and traced it. So now I'm gonna start cutting it out, and then I'll show you guys once I'm done cutting it. Alright guys, so it took me a while, but I eventually got to cutting it. I ended up using the angle grinder because the jigsaw was not doing it as accurately as I wanted to. The jigsaw was too jittery, I guess, and the edging over there is a little bit rough. But as you can tell with the angle grinder, it gave it a really smooth edge. But either way, I'm gonna sand the edge to give it a smoother look, and then after I sand it, I'll go ahead and paint it. But I love how it looks personally. It's gonna look great on the car. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sand the edges and paint it, and then I'll get back to you guys once that's done. And after that, we'll go ahead and bolt it onto the bumper and let's see how it looks. Alright, so I rounded off the edges as much as I could, and I just laid the paint. It's drying, so when it's done, it should have a matte finish. But as y'all saw, I mocked it and it looked great, so I'm confident it's gonna look pretty good. When it's all dried up and I do the bottom paint, I'm gonna go ahead and chop it off. I'm gonna start chopping in there and go around. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done with all that. Alrighty guys, so it's basically ready to mount. I'm just waiting for the paint to dry a bit. I cut the rear out. That's basically it right there. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna use self-tapping screws, like I showed you earlier. And if it's durable enough, I'll let you guys know. If it feels sturdy and all. If not, I might do support rods. I doubt it though, because I'm not a fan of how it looks. It looks kind of ricey in my opinion, but other than that, I'll show you guys basically when it's done. Let me just wait for it to dry up and I'll screw it onto the bumper. And there it is. I love it. It's like I bought it. Oh, I did, but I just gotta trim the left side a little bit and I'll be set. But it looks so good.
I thought you knew.